Fixing my leaking rooftop.
To do that. Y'all wouldn't believe where I'm at. Because the place is leaking and it's rainy season, I buy this 5 feet. And I didn't really know that. At first I'm coming up here because I'm afraid of heights. Like that. And I didn't know that this is why it leaks. The water run under there.
Please
so
watch to the
5
end.
feet down.
Just skip to the end.
Yes. I need a lot more feet. Because I can't get nobody who do the whatever that thing named brine. So got another feet downstairs, so I went for it and I said I'm gonna do a video. And I'm afraid I'm gonna blow up. Ooh, fucking hell. Wait, stressful. Bad words. No. Check this out. Okay, so I have to chip down the mango, the June plum tree with my trusty little girl. And mango tree. If I say mango, I take that back. So that's the neighborhood, that's the beach. So I'm a bag and 3/4 of cement. Hopefully the wind won't blow me off of this bitch. So this is my house stop. Anyone up here in here have a drone? I need some drone photo. So is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. So I have to do it myself because I have no man. I'm the only man, and when I do have one, a man too. So I buy this thing for over a month now. So I have to put it up myself because I can't get anyone to do it. So I need to get a lot more feet to put up because it's rainy season and it's wetting up inside where my gas is at, and I have nothing to catch this up. Yeah, the button is under the bottom. Sure. Alright, I'm gonna give him a side thingy. Use the machete to hold it up. Yep, but it's at the side. Sorry, y'all. So I have this 1 feet left. Why do I look like? Okay. So we're gonna put the wind. Oh, the wind. 1 feet. Yeah. So I got leaks and I gotta fix it. I got leaks and I gotta fix it. Yeah. Wait. Fuck. Speaking of already, I wanted to take it out. Okay. So I locked it over. Should I just do it that way and fit it in, because I have to lock it under the little screeches right here where that big joint. Shove it under there. Shove it in. Wait. Okay, so the sun is out, so it will melt it because you know it's tar. And let it go in the groove. Yeah. So I need more flash band. Y'all, I need more flash band. Flash band this mother skunt. Yeah, I know. Wrong language for wrong country. Let's see now. Yep. So see this groove right here? And even though I said I did it, I still have to slice it. Yeah. So I have to paste it down. So there we go. A girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. Yep. Okay. Stand up and hopefully my 1 3/4 pound self of cement don't get blow off. I weigh 170, y'all. Cement weight maybe 90 pounds, I don't know. So there we go. I chopped down the June plum limb that was over here, and that's my source of getting down. Let me see if my hand touched anything because my hand is on the screen. And first. I gotta drop the machete. Yes, I heard you. Drop the machete, lady, before you come down. Oh, there are these things. I don't know what it's called or who can get it done. I don't know. Okay. I'll let it push up more. Yep. Oh, there's Annabella. Yeah. So, got my little broken ladder. My little ass back down. Excuse me, little man. Oh. Yeah. So now I hide my ladder right beside my AC unit and my tank. Oh, and look. So I push the AC drain water. This is the lofty apartment. In there, I need to nail back that. Get somebody go up there and nail back that siding. So my AC water, but I need to run a pipe to take my AC water downstairs. That's my water tank. I did not get it hooked up yet. It just filled with water. I need help. This need to come off the rooftop. Oh gosh. Yeah. Okay, it's my apartment 4. I'll show you inside because I've got Cynthia. I need to build my stairs right here. I still can't get help. And oh wait, yo. Oh, it's still running. The screen fell down. I don't know what happened. Got my little girl. And there's my June plum that I gotta clean up. You think the June plum they fit? You want some of the June plum?
Yeah, you think them not too green?
I just gotta bite into one. Okay. To make the juice?
Too green, them can't make juice.
Yeah, if my teeth go through the seed, it can't bite. But if we have seeds, it's supposed to can use. I'm gonna be the tester of that. So
That was a lot chopped up.
it was over. It was over the house top, like. Bad blessing not gonna follow me. I chop it for good purpose. It's not bad. If you chop it with bad intentions, like don't go on my tree, then that's it. Chop it down because the host up a leak. I don't have bad teeth. I just don't bite into hard stuff. Okay. Take your mind out of the gutter. Oh, hot. How am I going to know if a June plum seed is tough? When the friggin' machete goes through it. It can make juice. Fuck. It can make juice. It tastes good. As I said, I don't know about the seed because I chopped through that bitch. I don't know. You can get a pot, a pan, a bucket, and can get her. Oh, it's good. You can make June plum juice. It's good. I got seed. I got balls. So I need maybe 30 feet of flash band, and if I'm not mistaken, 1 feet of flash band is for $500. So anyways, it's just maybe I need 5 more feet because it's just a particular area in the bedroom leaking, and I saw the little lump of June plum. So I think that would be until now. I'll see when it rains. I'll ask you if it's still dripping. Okay guys, bye. Happy Thursday. Gonna do work. I'm gonna rake up now. Thanks for hanging there.